Diamon Fusion. Diamon Fusion is a state-of-the-art two-step windshield protection that increases the strength of the windshield 10 times. Step 1 creates a stronger windshield that is less likely to chip or crack, resulting in a costly insurance claim or unnecessary replacement of the original OEM windshield. The covalent bond caused by the installation process also reduces glare by as much as 35%, giving you faster reaction times to avoid potential hazards and accidents, like deer or other vehicles. The second step in the installation process coats the windshield and creates a hydrophobic barrier. This barrier leaves an ultra-smooth surface on the glass, making it very difficult for rain, snow, frost, and mud to stick to the windshield. It's like driving in high definition. Until you have seen it firsthand, you'll never know what you were missing. See your dealer for details.